Pleasant good morning to all. Today we are going to see the chapter number 7, looping structure. In that we are going to see three concepts, children. Importance of looping structure, different types of looping structure in PHP, the fundamental logic creation using looping structure. So what is looping structure, children? So looping structure are useful for writing iteration logics. It's the most important feature in many programming languages including PHP. What is meant by iteration, children? We are setting a condition and initializing the value I is equal to 0. We are setting a value I is equal to 0, that is initializing the value, and I less than or equal to 10. So and I plus plus. So first the condition is checking I will be 0. So I less than I, what is the value of I? 0 less than or equal to 10. So it's a true. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that up to 10 the value will be iterated. So this is called as iteration, children. So in that 4 types of loops are there: for loop, for each loop, while loop and do while loop. Have you all understand, children? So important 1 mark question, children. So looping structure are useful for writing iteration logics. Okay, children. Next we move to for loop. So for loop is an important functional looping system which is used for iteration logics. When programmer know advance how many times the loop should run. Let me see that syntax. For init counter, open init counter, semicolon, test counter, semicolon, increment counter, close, and open parenthesis, code to be executed, semicolon, close. Have you all understand, children? Okay. Next see what are the parameters are using in for loop. There are 3 parameters they are using in for loop, children. Init counter, test counter and increment counter. Init counter is used to initialize the value of the counter value. Okay. Next counter, test counter. So evaluator for every iteration of the loop. If it is true, the loop will be continuous. If it is false, the loop will ends. Increment counter is used for increment the loop counter value. Okay, children. Next the flow chart is given, children. You can go through the flow chart. Now we can see the example. It can be helpful to understand, children. So see the children. Open PHP for $I is equal to 0, semicolon, $I less than or equal to 10, $I plus plus, close, open parenthesis, and echo in double quotes the number is colon, $I, break, and double quotes close, semicolon, close parenthesis, and close PHP. So have you all understand, children, the program? Here how many variables? So $I is equal, 3 parameters are used, that is I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. What purpose they are giving a break command? So it is used to print one by one. Okay, that is first line printed, it moves to second line. Here iteration is given. So I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. First it will be checking the condition I equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 0. I less than or equal to 10. True or false? Say true. So loop will be executed. What is the output will come? The number is 1. Okay. Next line. Setting the value I is equal to 0. 0 completed. I is equal to 1 next. I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. So true or false? True. So what is the output? The number is 2. Again the loop moves to 3. I is equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. True. So what is the output? The number is 3. Okay. It will be up to executed 10 because here I less than or equal to 10. I less than or equal to 10. So okay, children, have you all understand clearly what is the output? Again I am saying, இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஐயோட வேல்யூ 0 கொடுத்துருக்கான், ஐ லெஸ் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு 10 கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கான். அப்போ 0 போகும் லூப்புக்குள்ளே 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 போகும். ஏன் ஈக்குவல் டுன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கான், லெஸ் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டுன்னு. இப்போ ஈக்குவல் டு கொடுக்கலைன்னா இது வரைக்கும் இதாகும் 9 வரைக்கும். இப்போ வாட் இஸ் த அவுட்புட் சில்ட்ரன்? The number is 1. Break. அடுத்தது என்ன வரும்? The number is 2. நெக்ஸ்ட் லைனில் the number is 3. The number is 4. The number is 5. The number is 6. The number is 7. The number is 8. The number is 9. The number is 10. So important 1 mark question. It will be asked and also it will be asked in 5 marks or 3 marks. Compulsory question children. Okay. Thank you children.